Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Merry Christmas, everyone! Yay! I hope you're having a wonderful time with your loved ones, and if you're not spending it with anyone, well, I'm so happy that you're here spending it with me. Today, I do have a wonderful mystery unboxing here of these pins. I saw these pins on Boxlatcher's website, and I just had to have them. You can get 6 pins in total, and these are very cute Christmas boxes, and they do have a dangling element. This is for the Sailor Moon Crystal series that you will see that is on Netflix. So it's called Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon Crystal. And there is 1 pin per box, and I got 8 of them, hoping to up my chances of completing this set. We all know that me and mystery boxes are not friends. I don't want to poo-poo on anything, but I just want to keep my expectations low. But I just thought these were so cute, I needed to have them. So you can get Sailor Moon, Sailor Mercury, Sailor Mars, Sailor Jupiter, Sailor Venus, and then Luna got some love here, so that's cute. Let's start with the first box. You can never be disappointed with the first box, right? Because it's brand new. So there's just one, and it has this beautiful silver package. There's a tear strip, so this makes it easy. Okay. The first one. And we have Luna! Oh my gosh, these are huge. Look how big that pin is. Hello. These are huge. Oh my gosh. And it comes on this backer card already. So this is Luna, and you can see she has these elements of the moon, the crescent moon. I love the colors, the yellow and the purple. Wow. And here's the dangling element. Fun, these are big. Here's the back, so it is double pin post. Wow, very cool. Here's the second one. Ugh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna face it to you. We have, oh, I suck at this. There we go. We have Sailor Moon, yay! Hers is so beautiful. I love the rose elements here. Oh. And the yellow and her crescent moon. Very, very nice. I love the stars here and the clouds. Very cool. This is so great. The little bell. Oh man, these are so nice and big. Very substantial pin. I was worried because it says 1 per box. It was a pretty big box, but I know it was going to be this big. Very cool. Box number 3. Okay, let's see. Face it to y'all. We have, yay, Sailor Jupiter. Oh my gosh, very cute. So I think the patterns are virtually the same, because here she also has rose elements, and then nothing really changed up here. But I do love the color motif of the green and the pink. So adorable. I love this. Box number 4. So we're halfway through. I have facing y'all. We have, Hey. Boo. Okay, our first duplicate, and it is Sailor Jupiter. Okay. Whew. All right. So that means we have one more chance to complete this set. Like I said, there's 6 of them, and so now I already used one of my potential doubles. This is number 5. Okay. So which side? Okay, it's facing y'all. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. We have Sailor Mars. Okay, the flower is different here. So we don't have roses anymore. We have what looks like dandelions. Is that a mushroom? I don't know, but this is her symbol right here. She is Sailor Mars. Oh my gosh, this is my Sailor Scout. She is my favorite Sailor Scout. Always loved Ray. In the US dub, she's Ray. She looks so great. Love this. Okay, so we're getting down to it. So this is box number 6. So I just need Mercury and Venus, and we have 3 boxes left. Okay, let's hope. Yay! Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, beautiful. This is Sailor Venus. Yes, love it. And then her flowers are different as well. I am not versed in my florals, unfortunately, but I'm glad it's different here. These are her color schemes. Love this. Love, love, love. She is my favorite Sailor Scout after Sailor Mars. So, I'm really happy to have her. Yay! This is what she looks like off the card. Beautiful. Okay, 2 boxes left, and I just need Sailor Mercury. Oh my gosh. Did we do it? Ba 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 boo. Another Sailor Jupiter. This is the final box. Ugh. Okay. Let's see what happens. Are we doing it this time? Is that going to be a Christmas miracle? We have... Oh my gosh. Again? Did I need 4 Sailor Jupiters? Absolutely not. But, you know, that's how it goes. Man. On the bright side, I only have to get 1 more pin, which is the Sailor Mercury. So hopefully I can trade for that or just end up buying it because, you know, I really don't have luck with trading with anyone for these pins because, you know, who knows how popular these pins are anyway. Let's recap. These are the lovely pins I was able to actually get. So 5 out of 6 is not bad. I mean, I did get extra, so that way I did not lose my potential chances of collecting the entire set. And I think this was successful for the most part. But again, I do have 3 other Sailor Jupiters here up for trade. I will trade anything for these. If you end up you love this, you like, and you love Sailor Jupiter, I am more than happy to trade these for you for anything. So please hit me up on Instagram. This is my Instagram here. If you're not following me there, I highly encourage you to do so because I do post things there that you can't see anywhere else. Sometimes I do some cross promotion. I love being on Instagram and sharing my things that interest me and that are related to the channel as much as possible. Also, you're always free to DM me there, have a conversation, connect with me, see how we're doing, because I love to connect with you. I am so thankful for all of you. Thank you to my new subscribers over the past weekend. It's been amazing having you here. I look forward to you enjoying future videos. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to comment down below which one was your favorite. If I had to pick a favorite, obviously it's going to have to go to Sailor Mars. But honestly, all of them are precious, and I really love that I have this. And they're very unique Christmas themed items to have in my collection. Again, I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday and that you had plenty of rest and relaxation and Santa brought you everything that you wanted. I know I had a wonderful Christmas so far. This will not be the final video of the year. I will have 1 more video out this Friday, so please stay tuned for that. Be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Merry Christmas!